Welcome. Here is how to set up a travel or educational goal on the Risevest app in less than a minute. So once you have logged into your Risevest account, let's navigate to the Home tab or the Invest tab. So the tab Create and Invest Plan. So after you have tapped in, you have several options of which of the plans you want to invest in. So invest towards a goal. So you have several options also. Create a goal, build wealth, start a business, save for school, save for wedding. So since you are looking for how to save for educational purpose or travel, so let's tap into save for school. Now all you have to do is read through and see how the plan works. Then you click on start investing. You name your plan. So far we are talking about education now, so let's name it master's degree. You can see master's degree, then you continue. After you have tapped continue, it will take you to the page of the next question. How much do you need? How much do you need to save for your master's degree? For example, let's say $5,000. After that, you click on continue. After clicking continue, you add the money and it will take you to the last page where you have to select the date of when the school starts. So let's say, for example, the school starts October 5. Okay, let's say November. Then you continue. You click on continue. So after that, it will show you the total amount of money you have to pay. The 57.30 will be your returns. After you have done that, then you agree and fund. So once you have funded the account, your target goal is now live and it's now working for you.